To get started creating a Google Doc, it is very simple. Once you log into googledocs.com, you're going to just see this icon pop up that says Docs, and it says Start a New Document. You will just click on blank. A whole new document will pop up. You can give your document a name. This particular document is a letter. And you will basically have all of the icons here. You can change your font to any size you would like, any type of font, the size of the font. You can make it bold, underline, italics, give it a color. So I'm going to say letter to my best friend. And then I can change the text if I like. And I will say, Dear Sandra, I had a great time with you at the park yesterday. Thank you for the strawberries. I hope to see you soon. I just created a document. And then I can put my name, Libby. And I have created my first document. Now, I can add things to it. I can highlight it, but this is the basic function of creating a document using Google Slides. And it's automatically saved if you have a drive, or I can download it as a Word document or a PDF. Have a great day.